I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Most Samsung phones limit the screen timeout setting to 10 minutes by default. This limit prevents accidental battery drains and overheating during normal use. Regular apps cannot reliably override that system limit without elevated access. The only built-in setting that forces the display to remain on indefinitely is in developer options. That specific toggle is named Stay Awake, and it works only while the phone is charging. If you need screen-on time longer than 10 minutes, you stay awake while connected to a charger. First, unlock developer options by opening Settings, About Phone, Software Information, and tapping Build number 7 times. You will see a message confirming developer options are enabled on the phone. Next, return to Settings and open developer options from the main list. Scroll to find the Stay Awake toggle and enable it so the display stays on while charging. Finally, plug the phone into a charger, and the screen will remain on continuously until you unplug or disable the toggle. As an advanced option, you can set screen-off timeout using ADB from a computer with USB debugging enabled. Use a DB shell settings put system screen off timeout 3,600,000 to set 1 hour in milliseconds. This approach requires developer tools and grants system-level change capability. Be cautious, because prolonged screen-on time increases battery drain and risks device heating. Always disable Stay Awake or undo the ADB change when you finish to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.